Today is Wednesday, November 26th, 2025, and this has arrived at my doorstep, and I couldn't be happier because it took a little while for it to get here. Also, it's been a while since I've done the actual unboxing on one of these because if you've been on the channel for a while, you might remember that last month I lost this footage. But if you're new here, my name is Izzy and I subscribe to the Think Pink box by Beyond the Pink Door, and I just love to share the unboxing with you, but then inside the same video show you what I made with it. Because a lot of the feedback I get is that the unboxing is all well and good and it's very nice to see what's inside the box, but we want to see what you made with the fabric. So there you go. At the end of this video, you will see what I made with it. All right, now let's get this baby opened. There we go. It's in pretty good condition for a box that's gone all over the place, or that took a little bit of time getting here. I think it took like 10 days for it to get here. Oh, nice. Look how pretty this is. So, chapter 11, Celebrate Every Stitch. Very cute card. So this is box number 45. It contains 2.5 meters of fabric. There are 3 colorways. And as always, there's a QR code on the back of this card that links to an ebook where we have a bunch of articles and some inspiration for using the fabric in that current month's box. Right? A little bag full of goodies. So I'm just gonna dump all of this out. Oh, gummies. Our little sweet treat. It's rum and cola flavor gummies. Very cool. Very cool. Ask Mommy and Daddy. Gourmet confectionery. Very cool. Nice. The Notion is a prim, I want to say bobbin holder. I think we can put bobbins in here. That's kind of cool. I love me a good bobbin holder. Very nice. Ooh, thread color is a very dark green, like a hunter green or a forest green. Yeah, very cool. All right, let's see what the fabric looks like. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Look at this. That's gorgeous. Look how nice this is, how drapey it is. So this is a rayon. It's a rayon twill, I believe. It's got a bit of a twill weave. It's nice and lightweight, but not super flimsy like a challis would be. It's got a little bit of structure to it. Oh, this is very, very nice. This is, oh, this would make a really nice festive blouse, actually, because although it's green, it's not Christmas, like in your face Christmas. Very pretty. Ooh, I'm loving the colors on me too. Very, very nice. Ooh. Oh, I don't know what to do. This would make a fabulous dress. 2.5 meters, I think, would be enough to make a short sleeve dress. Yeah, it would be more than enough to make a nice long sleeve blouse. Oh, all right. I don't know why I wasn't expecting anything, to be honest. I've not had time. I've been so busy lately. I've not really had time to consider what I would make with this month's think pink box or what would be in it. I haven't had time to see any unboxings, if any have come out. So I have no idea what I'm going to make with this. But, so today is Wednesday. I think the video for this box is due to come out on the 9th of December. So that gives me about 2 weeks to wash, cut, sew, well, make up my mind first, wash, cut, and sew, and then film a video for you. So plenty of time, I think. All right, so this is gonna get thrown in the wash. I will have a look at the ebook and see what everybody else has made with the fabric this month, because Andrea from Beyond the Pink Door has a bunch of ambassadors now that help her with making the fabric up and showing what they've made, and all of that is included in the ebook. So that's very, very helpful, especially if you have zero idea what to make. So yeah, loving this. And yeah, I had plans to make myself a dress for Christmas Eve, but that might make a really fun top for Christmas Day, because we have a family lunch Christmas Day. That might be really, really nice. All right. I will be back very, very shortly for you, and a couple of weeks for me. So yeah, see you when I've made this up. And just like that, I am back wearing my beautiful, beautiful new fabric. So what did I end up making? I made the Swanton Blouse by Cashmerette Club because I made this twice now. And the first version I made was with the short sleeves, with the narrow necktie, which is what I did again. And I absolutely love that blouse. The fit I managed to get on it. Yeah, there was a tiny little bit of extra fabric at the top here when I first made it. But now, maybe because I've gained back some of the weight I lost last summer, the blouse fit me perfectly. The shoulders fit me perfect. Like, seriously. The only thing I changed on the pattern pieces, I had put a note for myself to remove 2.5 inches from the length the next time I made it, because I thought it was a bit too long. Like, it was too long to wear untucked, and I don't like to tuck things in the majority of the time. Like I have some wide leg black trousers that I tuck blouses into because they're wide leg, they're very loose, and I feel like tucking in kind of wrangles the volume a little bit. But for the most part, if I'm wearing like a ponty pair of pants or a more fitted type pant, I prefer my tops to be untucked. So there you go. So I shortened the blouse by 2.5 inches, and I love where this is hitting me. I love the fit. Yeah, I love how it nips in a little bit at the waist. Oh, another change, obviously, that I made was I made long sleeves. But these are the sleeves from the Vernon shirt, also by Cashmerette. So the great thing about the Cashmerette Club patterns is that very often some of the features from their regular patterns can be put onto the club patterns. So for example, this Swanton, I can swap both sleeves from the Vernon onto this blouse, making it extra versatile, which is really, really nice. And yeah, there's many other patterns where you can basically use the sleeves from one, put them on to another one. Necklines also. Yeah, I love this club so much. Anywho, so I've made a new Swanton. I've been wanting to remake this blouse for months, and because it has long sleeves, I can wear it all winter. It's also a very wintry type of color with the dark background, so absolutely love my new blouse. Now the pictures I took, I'm wearing a very old pair of black ponty pants, and I really need to make myself some new pants, some new black trousers that I can wear to work and wear this little blouse with, because I'm not sure like what other colors I could wear with this green, or with these greens, I should say. I wonder if brown would go. I might want to try like a chocolate brown with this green. I think would go. Actually, I'm pretty sure it would go, because on Thursday the 4th, so last week as you're watching this, you all know I'm a member of the Style Circle, the Everyday Style Circle, and the Winter Capsule Guide came out on the 4th. And the capsule colors this winter have a deep green, like this forest green fabric, and a chocolate brown, and all of the colors in that palette are supposed to be able to go together. So this green with the chocolate brown, which I have a pair of chocolate brown trousers that I bought from my favorite store. I should try the two together and see how that works. Yeah, anyways. So there you go. Here's another super successful Think Pink make. I absolutely love my blouse. Now, I think that'll be enough for pussy bow blouses for a bit. However, this Swanton has a view that it's just like the collar. I can't remember what that's called. A granddad collar, a mandarin collar. Anyways, it's basically just a collar stand with no collar. And I am tempted to try and hack it to add a frill to the collar, because I'm dying to have a blouse with the frill at the collar. No other frill, just up here. And I could make this in maybe like a viscose cotton. Does that even exist? Like, I don't like cotton. You all know that I don't like cotton, but I would love a more flowy, drapey, substantial fabric. Oh, maybe a tencel twill would be really nice with the frill, because I do want the frill to stand up and not flop. Anywho, I'm rambling now. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like on your way out. And subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks again, and I will see you soon.